Before somebody get on my page and start talking shit like, oh, well, you have a good grade of hair, aren't you mixed? Bad bitch and Negro. That is absolutely it. Your local beauty supply store. You can get this from Amazon. I'm gonna just use vinegar with Brog. Make sure you remember plastic everything. Look at that. Okay to get it on your skin because okay, so I just have it on my roots right now because I didn't want to use hair. No. So I just put it on my roots all around. I'm about to quit. Where regular strands are. And when you have thick hair, put this shower cap on. All right, this is the tub. Ooh, my gosh, what the hell, what the hell? All right, so yeah, what was said? That girl ain't got no. That girl ain't got no 4C hair. Take and this is the consistency of my homemade conditioner. I didn't have no avocado this time, so but and the consistency is not as thick because I didn't have any avocado, and this was very like I told you, very inopportune. I was helping a mom with her little brown girl. Ooh. And make sure if your hair is thick as mine, get all in the crevices, please. Do not want to be out here looking crazy. I'm sorry. And you notice I didn't dry my hair all the way. Because you don't need to. Why would you want to put conditioner on dry ass hair? I don't know. Well, to each his own. Some people like to. Not necessarily. to section it off. So we wide tooth comb, this wide. This is a wide tooth comb. And of course we use our fingers first because ethnic hair, wet, is a lot more sensitive. And finger comb that hair, detangle that hair. Don't just go in with the comb. You're gonna have to go in with your fingers. Really feel the texture of the hair. And take your hands and really feel the hair. Again, we go in quadrants. Using our fingers, okay? No rat tail comb, no combs just yet. We go in quadrants. Parts aren't gonna be straight, that's okay. Clip that quadrant in place. This hair, we're gonna put it into 2 pieces with our fingers. Ooh-wee. And then we just twist. Just twist it. Okay. And yeah, I already know it's giving Cynthia from Rugrats or Marlon Wayans. Yeah, I know. But right now, I am just about to sit under the dryer. I let my hair dry a little bit overnight, but it's not completely dry. It's thick hair, so it's not completely dry.